FragWatch here. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the MChose L7 Ultra by popular demand. Hey, let's get this out of the way. Is this the one? Yeah. I hate this MChose G3 Ultra. This is the biggest piece of shit I've had to use in a long time. One of my most hated mice of the last 5 years. Easily. It's egg-shaped. And I don't mind egg-shaped, usually. That G3 Ultra can... It needs to not exist. Anyways, here we go. MChose L7 Ultra. It comes in a box More plastic. Okay, I mean, let's get this plastic off first, then I'll spin her around, yeah? Just unboxed the fucking WL mice, and the whole damn things were in auto-tune. I'm just a lunatic, and I just maximized the window, damn it. There we go. Okay. Here's the box. Shiny boy. L7. Young's Choice. Okay. I don't know what that means. Is it youth choice? Just a bad translation? I don't know. Okay. This small boy. Tiny fucking thing. Wow. What do we got here? Is this an X2? Is this a fucking X2 clone? It is. It's a fucking X2. Like, what? It's exact. Oh my god. I goddamn hate these rip-offs. Like, god, like they just steal the engineering. Look at this. It's just, god damn it, it pisses me off. Let's see if the angling on this is the same. This is the Crazy Light X2. Goddamn, like, it's a counterfeit. I feel like I'm buying counterfeit products. Because I am. These are fucking straight up knock, like, it's good that there's value options for some of you in markets where you don't get paid enough for the work you do and all that shit. But my god, they need to, like, pay. Pulsar needs to fucking sue them is what needs to happen. There needs to be a lawsuit there. That's bullshit. Like, the only look, where's the dongle? I bet, where's my Crazy Light dongle? Look at that. I bet it's the same size. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Look at the look at the board. Look at the fucking board on that. It's like identical. Look at that. Oh man, down to the dongle, it's identical. Like, the shape right there is the same size as this. It's the same width. Give me a fucking cocksuckers, man. Jesus Christ, it pisses me off. This fucking dongle off here for this counterfeit piece of shit. Fuck, that pisses me off. I'm using a it is straight up a counterfeit product. In my opinion. I don't want to get fucking sued, but Jesus, man. In my opinion, this is a fucking counterfeit product. Just straight up knockoff. Here's the sad thing is I'm going to fucking love it because I love the X2. God. Man. Alright, let's get this shit back in the box. This is the MChose L7 Ultra Pulsar X2 ripoff. Fuck, man. For real? Sorry, I believe in honesty in business and having your own innovation, not fucking ripping off and riding someone else's coattails. Fucking god, I have to review this goddamn thing. Alright, that's my unboxing of that. FragWatch out.